Let's talk about the difference between single studies and systematic reviews, which are also called meta-analyses. A single study, such as the one shown, represents one set of data collection and analysis. In this study, the authors explain that they used data from a fatality reporting system to estimate the association between helmet use and death. This represents a single study using a longitudinal dataset. Single studies may be extremely useful for us as we search for data for our policy brief and may have data highly relevant to our policy topic. Systematic reviews, or meta-analyses, are many studies analyzed together in a single report to produce a combined assessment. Because they represent a combination of studies, meta-analyses are generally viewed as providing stronger evidence than a single study. For example, if 18 studies find that helmets protect against death after motorcycle crashes, while 2 studies find that they make no difference, a systematic review will take all of those findings into account and come up with a summary finding, likely concluding that helmets are indeed protective. The Cochrane Group is known for doing meta-analyses such as the one shown here. However, Cochrane reviews are not the only source for meta-analyses. Meta-analyses are often quite long reports and follow a specific, rigorous methodology for inclusion of articles, data extraction, and analysis. Typically, they summarize what is known and what is not known, and identify gaps or areas of uncertainty that warrant future research. They provide a list of all studies included and the findings from each individually, as well as a summary finding measure. Typically, they summarize what is known and what is not known, and identify gaps or areas of uncertainty that warrant future research. They provide a list of all studies included and the findings from each individually, as well as a summary finding measure. The content on the right is an excerpt from this meta-analysis about helmet use in motorcycle riders. As you can see, many sources were included in this review. Because meta-analyses represent multiple studies instead of a single study, policymakers may have more confidence in their findings compared to single studies.